Join us for an unforgettable RV adventure through Denali National Park as we explore the scenic Sabel Pass and the braided Teklanika River.
Cruising down the highway, windows all rolled down, Florida sunshine, we're leaving this town with our cool Nata coach. It's a brand new start on the road to Alaska. Let's follow our hearts from the orange groves to the mountains high. 49 states as the eagles fly by. We'll take the scenic route through valleys and streams, living out our wildest, most electric dream. On the road to Alaska, we're chasing the night. 49 states shining, everything feels right. Canada's calling with winds that sweep free. Together in this journey, just you and me. From Florida to Alaska, hear the engines roar. Through the mountains and valleys we'll explore. East coast to west coast, we'll take our time. Shaded steep forever on this epic climb. With memories shining like the stars above, celebrating our journey together in love.
Hello, well, Jane and I are here at Sabel Pass, and it's the highest point on this road, and this is the Denali Road, which goes from the entrance of the park, about 85 miles or so out to Wonder Lake, which is actually the end of the road. However, the road has sustained a landslide several years ago, and you can only go to where our last video took us to, which was the East Fork. And that was up the Tulsa River. So today we're at Sabel Pass. We're about, maybe 40 miles, not quite 40 miles into the park. And this is one of the more photogenic spots of the park. Very heavily congested with wildlife, we're told. So we're hoping to see if we can shoot a bear or two. With the camera, of course. What do you say, Jane?
That would be great. And also a rock slide here was known as a glacier, a rock glacier. What they called it when the road was taken up by the rocks. But this is beautiful country. It's so quiet. It's amazing. And hopefully we'll get to see an animal. But not too close.
And as you can see, the fireweed is in full bloom.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. And a few days ago it was not. We have had 2 wonderful days of sunshine. And of course the weatherman did not predict them. We took a gamble and we were very lucky yesterday and today. And we're seeing some sights that people give their right arm to see. We're going to progress on our hike now. I guess we are about 10 miles from our campsite. I don't know how far we'll get today with this walk, if you will, on the road. Incidentally, we're not allowed to leave the road at this point. The wildlife supposedly is very sensitive here, and they don't want anybody hiking out into the bush, as it were.
It's a preserve.
It's a preserve, and also to preserve our lives. Don't want to be running into a grizzly. We do want to get some photographs of a couple of them. We can. There's a lot of wildlife here. They have wolverines, wolves, brown bear, which is actually known as the grizzly, black bear, a lot of caribou transit through this area. We caught a couple yesterday on camera. And we're just going to work our way back. Catch as many good photos as we can. The grizzly bears habit this particular area, the grasslands at the foot of this mountain. And we're looking to see if we can spot one. As we continue down the hill from Sabel Pass. How we doing there, Jane?
Huh?
How we doing, all right?
You're doing good.
You see anything with the binoculars?
I haven't really, no animals.
Yeah, I see the lake there. Okay, we're gonna progress down the hill. The transit bus just drove by. We're grateful to see that they're running back and forth. That last one had a couple of empty seats on it, looked like, through the windows, which is a positive thing for us because it's a seat available only getting on these buses. We experienced a 90-minute delay yesterday coming back from the East Fork because every bus was full. We finally did get back to our campsite around 7 o'clock or so. And it was an enjoyable day for sure. These views are majestic. And looking up on that mountain there, I can see a path going way up. I'll have to mark this out for traveling Robert so he can climb up there and get his majestic view, or commanding view as he calls it.
I hear something.
Not too shabby for a day where the weather forecast was cloudy and rain. In the mountains, you can never depend on the weather forecast. Where are the animals, Jane?
I don't know. They're hiding.
There's a vehicle approaching. One of the construction workers working on restoring the road past the East Fork. You see he's got his Starlink on the back of his truck. That's the only way you can communicate in these mountains. Very difficult to get even a radio signal through here. But Starlink has proven to be a valuable tool for these people here.
Hi. Hey there.
That's a good way to get around the park. Bicycle. I don't know if GoPro is going to show or not, but this whole trek so far has all been downhill, so it's pretty easy walking. What do you say, Jane?
Comes a bus.
Another bus coming, huh?
Oh, bike.
Hello.
Hi.
A wildlife closure for denning wolves is currently in effect on the Sanctuary River south of the Park Road. Denali National Park features significant sheep crossings along its roadways. These crossings are crucial for the movement of Dall's sheep, particularly during lambing season and ewes and their young navigating between feeding and protective areas. The National Park Service monitors these crossings to mitigate the impact of traffic on the wildlife. They emphasize the importance of these areas for sheep as they transition between lambing grounds and safer terrain. All vehicles must comply with a mandatory 10-minute stop at these signed locations.
Don't see anything.
You don't see anything, huh?
Nada.
Onward we go. So Jane, would you like to walk off into the woods here?
It would be fun to see if we could see something, yes. But it's a no-no.
That's a no-no.
It's a preserve. I think since 1952. Which is a good thing.
Time to ignite. Second journey to the 49th state tonight. Golden anniversary, we're living the dream. In our 9 coach, cruising like a gleam. Beaver Creek calling, our hearts are alive. With the mountains high, we feel that vibe. This is our moment, the stars shining bright. In the land of the midnight sun, everything feels right. Let's celebrate, let's dance, let's play. Alaska's waiting for us, hip, hip, hooray. From Denali's peak to Kenaya shore, this journey is ours, we couldn't ask for more. Rolling down the highway, feeling that breeze, adventure awaits, let's live with ease. Boondock at Denali under the vast skies with the...
Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends and help us grow our channel. We really appreciate you.
Story, laughter in the air, golden memories made, nothing can compare. Let's celebrate, let's dance, let's play. Alaska's waiting for us, hip, hip, hooray. From Denali's peak to Kenaya shore, this journey is ours, we couldn't ask for more. Soak in the magic of Soldovia's charm, every smile and hug, oh, it keeps us warm with the sound of the waves and the northern lights. We're two hearts united, soaring to new heights. Sold out, no awaits with adventures galore. Tides of excitement, it's time to explore. With you by my side, I'm forever enthralled in this beautiful state. We're enchanted, we're called. Raise your drinks high, let's toast to the skies. For every moment shared, let's make it our prize. In the wild wilderness, our love shines bright. This journey together, our hearts take flight. Let's celebrate, let's dance, let's play. Alaska's waiting for us, hip, hip, hooray. From Denali's peak to Kenaya shore, this journey is ours, we couldn't ask for more. So here's to the memories, to laughter and grace. In our cool Nana coach, we found our place. With each mile we travel, love's our decree. This golden anniversary just you and me.